Welcome to our tutorial on setting up main filters for rotators. Are you ready to enhance the quality of your traffic and protect against abuse? In this video, we'll show you how to set up main filters for your rotators, allowing you to filter out unwanted clicks and ensure the integrity of your traffic. To begin, when entering a new rotator or editing an existing one, click on Show Advanced Settings. Then, scroll down to Main Filters. Here, you have the option to select from several main filter options. Do nothing. This option will not apply any filters to the clicks. Flag. Flagging will mark potential abusers, anonymous proxies, spiders, or servers for further review without blocking them. Block. Blocking will prevent potential abusers, anonymous proxies, spiders, or servers from accessing the rotator. Additionally, you can toggle the IP/host's managed clicks option on or off. This feature identifies users with blocked IPs in their system settings and manages their clicks accordingly. Abusers, anonymous proxies, spiders, and servers can all negatively impact the quality of your traffic. By applying appropriate filters, you can protect against abuse and ensure that your traffic is genuine and valuable. Let's dive in and optimize your rotator settings with main filters.